Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code of a location on Google Maps. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So it is actually quite simple on how you can do this. So first, just simply go into your Google Maps on any browser that you are using. So after doing so on the search bar, just simply type in or search the location that you want to create the QR code. So I have here a location, a specific location that I want to create an example of creating QR code here on Google Maps. And after doing so, you should be able to see this on the left side of your screen. And what you can do next is to simply share or click this share button right here, and then after that just simply right click for on this window or on this page that will appear, and after that just simply click create QR code for this page. So after that you should be able to see this a QR code will open up from this side of your screen, and you can either copy it or download the QR code. So I'm just going to click onto the download QR code, and then after that, this is the QR code that you have created with Google Maps. So you can send it to any person that you want to send it or to share it. And so that's it. That's how you can create a QR code using Google Maps. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.